I have a couple of brief inquiries. First and foremost, how many of you, including myself, have found yourselves in possession of fewer shares than you initially anticipated? Secondly, regarding the shares you've just obtained, are these the only shares you'll be receiving, or is this just a partial allocation? It's evident that what I received did not align with my expectations or the projected distribution. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Daily Stock Update. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications by hitting the bell so you never miss any of our uploads and also enter our giveaway. But before that, alert, this is not a financial advice video. To provide some additional context, AMC Entertainment has made an additional announcement about 3 shares being awarded for every 7.5 shares held previously. Please inform me if you're familiar with this, as I'm well aware that many individuals did not receive the expected quantity of reverse stock split shares. Furthermore, many did not receive the essential information about their cost basis, which is a crucial factor. For numerous people, reaching a break-even point might still necessitate a value surpassing $100. This is exacerbated by the present prices hovering around $11, although the actual value of AMC might be closer to $1.10, which is undeniably unfavorable. It's also worth noting that different broker platforms display varying all-time highs and lows, contributing to the confusion. Even a simple search on Google reveals disparate figures for these metrics, including the market capitalization, which adjusts daily. Surprisingly, AMC's price levels after the reverse stock split have reached levels that were previously unheard of, not implying that performing calculations will yield the precise answers. But an interesting tidbit comes from Joe Mogley, the former CEO of TD Ameritrade, who indicated that individual investors now constitute 24% of the market share, a significant increase from the pandemic era. This has turned the tables, as these investors hold substantial funds and are strategically buying during market downturns, which has understandably put many hedge funds on edge. My reason for inquiring is that earlier today, there was a discussion about the mounting funds on the sidelines. This prompts the question of whether retail investors are also amassing substantial funds or if this is primarily institutional money. Personally, I'm inclined to believe that retail investors are indeed accumulating funds, which might explain their shift from equities to fixed income. A case in point is AMC. As more people enter the market, one would expect buying pressure to influence the stock positively. However, this hasn't been the case, with the stock experiencing declines even amidst increased buying pressure. Although there was a brief instance of the stock turning green today, indicating a slight increase, it's premature to celebrate this as a turnaround, given the evident manipulation of stock prices by certain entities. The entity controlling the price action has been managing the stock effectively, even if it means instigating a substantial 20% decline for several consecutive days. According to certain metrics, which, it's important to note, can vary from one source to another, the stock has plummeted by 70% in a single month. This is a figure that a reverse stock split and even maintaining shareholder value cannot account for. Furthermore, opinions surfaced yesterday suggesting that issuing more shares would be a grave mistake, particularly at the current price point. The prevailing sentiment is that such a move is both perilous and nonsensical, notwithstanding the company's profits. The primary concern is the potential for a significant drop in the price action. It's vital to underscore that the current price levels are not accurate reflections of reality. For instance, while AMC might surge to $100, it's crucial to temper excitement and realize that the genuine value might be closer to $10 per share. This serves as a reminder to stay vigilant and consider setting alerts or taking notes to stay informed about cost basis adjustments. Speaking of which, the cost basis is still in flux, and I'm hopeful for the receipt of additional shares. Many individuals have received quantities that fall short of their expectations thus far, which isn't ideal. Friends, that's all we have for you today. What is your opinion about today's video? Get involved and let us know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching.